everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is a bit of a different video. As you can see something different from me. Angles you've never seen before, like this. And that's because today we're going to an anime convention. Oh yeah, I bought this mic for this shit. Do you like that? How's that? Do you like that? Do you like that? Hello? Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Yo, look at that, I got those thick ass fucking EMS contact lenses. And for some reason I made a hyperlapse of me doing my makeup, which I then fast forwarded again. It's fascinating to me how this is the only shot I have of the actual anime convention. I just entered myself into the K-pop quiz. I will lose, but I will lose with style. There's a figurine I really want. It's a huge Gojo figurine, but it's 450 bucks. That's pretty much all my budget then. I got $1,000 with me. Maybe I need some more. At this point, I'm trying not to get copyrighted. Gimme now, gimme now. Yeah, we're cruising now, boys. Look at me. Sheesh. Where's my car? Aw, playing Mario Kart now. I've won 3 out of 4 times, like a boss. I found some busting ass fucking... That's a bio. Hello, I got a Nezuko cocktail and a matcha latte.
Czy to Freddy Fazbear? Oh, 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 oh.
Hello. Oh shit, Jesus. I bought some snacks. I got some matcha tapioca pudding. Let me rate it from 1 to 10. It's pretty good. It's nothing special. Next, I got this matcha cake, which looks very nice. What? Oh. There's plastic around it, I see. Ugh. Wait, that's super good, what the fuck? What, that's really good, what the heck? What the flip, dude? What the frip? Oh shit. Oh, I didn't rate them out of 10. The pudding, 6 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Hey, they just announced the winner of the K-pop quiz. It was me. Hello, we're back home. I wanted to do an epic unboxing of all the shit I bought. I noticed I only bought 2 things. So that's fun. Oh, but the best thing I bought, my goal was to buy everything related to Boruto. It's a fucking bag. Okay, let's start with my small little 38 buck Tsunade figure. She feels good and sturdy. Can you see that? I know that's everything you wanna see. You fucking freaks. You fucking weirdos. You fucking losers. Okay, now to the last thing we have. our Ari figurine. I mean, technically she's a Ninetales, so that counts as Naruto pretty much, which is connected to Boruto. So W. Damn, she's nice. The base is super cheapy, plasticky, but the figurine is sick as fuck. Ooh. Panties. She got some nice juicy ass. I gotta tell you that much. I'm not gonna show you though, you fucking loser. Pay your own 350 bucks. Oh wow. Cheese and crackers. Quick figurine tour. Our Good Smile Lux. Our KDA Ari figurine. Witcher Geralt, Witcher Ciri. Our new collection. Our new addition to our collection, I can't speak. Then under that we got a Mewtwo. We got Levi. Then we got our Ryuk. Our Misa Misa. Then we got our Captain Rex helmet, together with Itachi, Minato, now Tsunade as well, Boruto Sasuke, Kakashi Funko, Minato Funko, Minato but the same thing but without a coat. Then we got one of my favorites, Boruto, together with the Boruto Time Skip Funko, the Mitsuki Sage Mode Funko, the Mitsuki Snake Funko, Sasuke, Itachi, then we got Boroshiki, 2 Tomei Sarada, Fused Momoshiki, Baryon Mode Naruto, KCM, what is it? Sage Mode KCM Naruto, Jubidara, fucking Lilith, this fucking dude from Star Wars Visions, Kylo Ren, Triss from Witcher, Dandelion from Witcher, Yennefer from Witcher, Naked Geralt. Then we got this guy from Diablo 4, some photo cards that I painted to fit Boruto and Kawaki's design. Then we got my 80s light stick, my Super M light stick, my manga, which is just Attack on Titan and Boruto. Then we got my K-pop collection. Then we got Bella Porch and Nyan from Twice. Then we got BB-8, my replica lightsaber, which was 600 bucks. This is just a fucking letter opener. My Naruto kunai, my Master Sword lamp that I never turn on because it takes the focus off my camera. Then we got our Witcher silver sword, my actual normal sword, which looks like that, which is very nice. Then we got my Sasuke Kusanagi sword and my Attack on Titan blade. And here we got a Minecraft diamond sword as well, by the way, and some Legos. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, like the video. If you like me, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys